Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on GST and Commission Worksheets. So this video presents a few slides where we have some worksheets. We're going to solve some problems on GST and Commission. Now we've had a lesson on this, so if you're not sure what to do, at the end of this video, on the last slide, there is a link and it will take you straight to the lesson and it will explain how to do each of these. So let's quickly go through each example. Number 1. A dress is priced at $80. A GST of 10% is added to this price. What is the value of the GST and what is the final selling price? Number 2. A car salesman receives 7% commission of the total value of cars sold in a week. If he sold $90,000 worth of cars, what is his commission? A car is priced at $110,000. A GST of 15% is added to this price. What is the value of the GST and what is the final selling price? An estate agent receives 3% commission of the total value of dwellings sold in a month. If he sold $1,300,000 worth of dwellings, what is his commission? An oven is priced at $1,200. A GST of 11% is added to this price. What is the value of the GST and what is the final selling price? A carpet salesman receives 9% commission of the total value of carpets sold in a week. If he sold $9,600 worth of carpets, what is his commission? Now the next slide, we've got some more examples. A boat is priced at $75,000. A GST of 13% is added to this price. What is the value of the GST and what is the final selling price? An auctioneer receives 2.5% commission of the total value of cattle sold in a month. If he sold $140,000 worth of cattle, what is his commission? A bed is priced at $3,600. A GST of 12.5% is added to this price. What is the value of the GST and what is the final selling price? An advertiser receives 3.5% commission of the total value of advertising attracted in a month. If the total amount of advertising attracted was $260,000, what is his commission? A caravan is priced at $4,800. A GST of 7.5% is added to this price. What is the value of the GST and what is the final selling price? And finally, a mechanic receives 3.2% commission of the total value of repairs done in a month. If the total of repairs done was worth $18,000, what is his commission? So this video has presented a number of problems where we've had some practice on calculating the GST and then the final selling price, and we've also had a few problems on commission. And if you need some help, there's a link on the next slide. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how these problems are done.